my gosh, wow, it's been a long minute, you guys, but today we are back with another one, y'all. I'm back with another hair review from start to finish on what we did. And yes, this is a we project because Kay did the install and there's no I in team, so we did it together. So here I was showing you guys the wig, and now Kay is moving on to bleaching it. This is not an in-depth tutorial. This is just us showing you what we did. If you want something more in-depth with us showing you the products, the developer number, all that, then please comment that down below and we'll come with that with the next one. So yeah, basically Kay is prepping the wig for installation. We did use BW2 bleach and a 40 volume cream developer. However, we left that for about 15 minutes, but we felt the need to go back in again to make sure the knots were really bleached. So for the coloring, you guys, I didn't want to go through the process of bleaching the hair, and I wanted to try this again. This is one of the first hair dyes I used when I wanted to do burgundy way back in 2016, 2015, you guys. So this is the L'Oreal High Color Highlights. This is basically, it has a, when you mix it, you basically mix the tube with developer, and I used a 50 volume just because I wanted it to process quicker, and I figured that it would do the job a little bit stronger because it is a higher developer. I think they recommend 40 or 30, but hey, to each its own. This is in the color magenta, and I just found that the magenta gives the perfect burgundy shade that I was going for. If you want to go lighter, there are different shades and stuff. Definitely check them out. I used about 6 tubes, I believe, 6 or 5 tubes. The hair is 20 inches, you guys, and the lace was a really nice quality. It wasn't HD lace, I don't think, but it still was pretty nice for the lace quality that they sent. All in all, after applying it and coating it throughout the hair, you guys, I literally let it sit for about an hour and washed it out. And this is what it looked like after we washed it out. So basically it looks darker because, you know, it's wet. But Kay, this is Kay right here doing this process. We used the Beyond the Zone heat spray before, and she's going through and blow drying it very thoroughly, making sure that the hair is very silky and dry. Also, just make sure when you guys are washing this out in the sink that you're really washing out a lot of the product, you guys. Red dyes tend to bleed a lot, so just keep that in mind. You don't want the hair to be stiff and not flowing correctly, so you really want to sit there. Like, I washed the hair out and I literally sat there for like 45 to an hour just washing the hair dye out completely and making sure that it wasn't leaking or bleeding. So make sure you guys are doing that. So she's going in and showing you guys some plucking she did. Kay is a hairstylist who is very much so a perfectionist. So she did a little bit of plucking on the wig head, and then when we went to apply to my head, she perfected it a little more. So make sure you guys book with my friend while she's available, because soon I'm gonna book her up and not share her with you guys like I already do. No, I'm just kidding. Book my friend, okay? She's doing installs with Celebrity Hairstylist by the Blaze, and y'all know Blaze will kill some hair, okay? So anyways, we put the cap that they supplied on, and she matched it with my foundation color. Now she's marking it, and we are using this glue here because we wanted to just try a closure install with glue. We usually use Got2b all the time, so we wanted to try something different. She did about 3 layers, you guys, and I know you guys like to see me remove my wigs on my TikTok, so make sure you guys go follow me there so you guys can see the wig removal. But yeah, basically 3 layers, wait till they're dry, apply again, and slap that bad boy on there. Oh my god, y'all don't understand how excited we were about installing a new wig, you guys. There's just something different about installing a wig with the lace on already that is just a whole different vibe. So shout out to Kay. Look at that scalp, honey. Stop playing with my friend. Stop playing with that girl. She is not one of them. I keep trying to tell y'all. I got me a secret weapon, and together we the dream team. Stop playing with us. But no, all in all, the hair quality, you guys, Y'all gonna see. I haven't said nothing about it yet because I gotta save the best of the review for last, honey. Cause baby, that hair was silky and it was moving, y'all. I'm gonna insert the clip of me on Instagram moving my head and trembling my hair because the hair was just moving. Okay. So anyway, she's gonna go in here and cut the lace in a zigzag motion. We did use an elastic band to tie it down just because it has a really good stretch and the elasticity really makes sure the lace is melted. Okay. So anyway, here she is going to perfect the hairline, cutting off the lace. We are going to move on to the baby hair portion, which I ended up doing off of camera because Kay is still kind of learning how I like my baby hairs and still practicing on how to do different ones. So I just did my baby hairs off of camera. And then she's going to go ahead and move forward with the styling. I wanted to do some nice waves with some straight ends, middle part kind of vibe. And she just did that, y'all. She did that. And the hair is just so shiny and silky and flowy. It looks like I got a silk press. And the fact that we got this look with a 4x4 closure, not even a 5x5. We got this with a 4x4 closure, you guys, period. And this wig is 150% density, which isn't too bad, but I probably would want to go 180 maybe. If I really wanted to, but 150 was fine, especially this is a 20-inch wig and she went ahead and perfected the cut because sometimes when the hair isn't cut, it can weigh down the volume and the movement of it. So yeah, I'm gonna just let y'all sit back and watch the rest. But all in all, I love this hair. I can't wait to wear it in different styles and see what else we can do with it. So stay tuned, y'all, and don't forget to subscribe to my Abby Nicole Beauty channel because we will be transferring these type of videos to there. So again, thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you so much, Wignee Hair, for this new hair all 2021. I can't wait to work with you guys in the future because I for sure loved this wig and I love the construction of it. And look, I'm kind of speechless. I have nothing else to say. It's a go. If it made it on the channel, it's a go. Okay. I love y'all. See you in the next one. Enjoy the rest of the video and let me know what you guys think about this color and what other colors you guys want to see us do next. Love you. Mwah. Peace.